Are you in need of simple recipes for healthy snacks? If you are, you'll absolutely love the 100 recipes I've come up with. None of my recipes use any sugar, flour, or processed ingredients. None of my recipes require the use of an oven. There is no baking of any kind. I'll show you how to prepare mouth-watering snacks and treats, all made from natural ingredients that will satisfy your sweet tooth without the sugar. Even your kids will love these easy-to-make snacks and treats. After years of experimenting in my kitchen, all of my snack recipes finally revealed. I'll even throw in a few of my favorite healthy desserts. If you're ready to download these 100 recipes or would like further information, click on the link below.